Howdy folks. We're going to see if the leaving a rag soak with Evapo-Rust method worked out for us. And let's take a look. The rag is damp. It does have some rust on it, but looking at the ways, those look about the same, if not worse, than yesterday. So I'm going to have to say that at least just setting this on there definitely doesn't work. Yeah, that's not just wiping off. So that is not going to be a magical solution. Next, let's see about the chuck that we had dumped in the bucket. Let's see if it's looking better than before. Alright. Can't really see a whole ton here, but let's see what we get. Alright, yeah, that's looking better. Got a little discoloration, but I think we can live with that. Yeah, much better as far as the rust is concerned. We can get most of the Evapo-Rust to pour out of here. Trying very hard not to drop this thing back in the bucket and splash Evapo-Rust everywhere. Alright. You can see that looks a lot better than it did yesterday. So let's take it over to the bench, take it apart, see inside. Alright, so start by pulling the back plate off here. Seems he doesn't want to easily come off. So grab ourselves a plastic persuader. So, with the chuck really not wanting to come apart, we're going to take it back to the machine. We've got the screws to hold the back plate on are still out. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it back. Oh yeah, put the jaws back in. We're going to put it back on the spindle. Skipping the lock washers, because this is temporary and I'm not going to be spinning it up at any speed, and I don't want to put any more opportunity to lose them. Yeah, gotta do them all kind of halfway on. That's right. Yeah, they don't exactly give you a lot of room to work in here. Get that just set on there. Get this guy set on there. All right, now snug these up. Up a bit. There we go. That one's snugged up. And that one's snugged up. And that one's snugged up. All right. Now, open up the jaws in here. And we're going to bite down on a big ass bolt, which is part of another project. All right. Now we're going to see if that can get us a reasonable application of leverage with which to pop this thing off. There we go. You can see over here, that edge is moving a little bit. Just keep going around. There we go. Check that out. That worked better than expected. All right. We'll take this all back over to the bench and see what all we got going on now. There you go. There's the back plate on its own. All right. So I have the back plate. That could stand to be just cleaned up a little bit. It's not too bad. Clean that up a bit. All right, now we can open the jaws back up, let our bolt out. Save that guy for later. Now with it all loose, you can see, you can pop this out. Let's see, come on. Nice tight fit there. And there we can see all of our, looks like fairly dissolved lithium grease. So we'll clean this all up. It looks pretty good, I think. Again, we're just gonna fill it back up with grease, so not vastly worried. All right. So yeah, nice and clean, freshly greased, no more rust. Can't really complain about that. So yeah, let's go put it back on the machine. All right, so back over at the machine, we will just slide this guy back on. Yeah, it feels good on the machine. All right. I like it. So I think that's about where we're going to leave it for today. We'll save for next time exploring some other issues here. I don't know. Next time I'll probably work on one of the other projects because I'm not feeling dealing with dipping the lathe right now. We'll get back to that, but yeah. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers, everyone.